Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you guys are new, please subscribe this YouTube channel and turn on the bell notification. And do not forget to follow me on Instagram, Dolce or Dolce, whatever you call it. Okay, so for today's video, I akan buat a product review. So without wasting any time, let's move on. Yes, this is it. Huge. It's quite heavy. Okay, barang dalam ni sebenarnya banyak. So for today's video, it's 100% sponsored by ALTHEA and thank you. Macam tu. So without wasting any time, jom kita buka. The struggle is real. Oh my god. Ta-da! Okay, she's nervous. Oh my Gucci. Look at the box. I love it. Free shipping. 100% authentic. Best price. Nampak tak? Okay. If you guys want to know everything here inside this box, I choose. Then I'm using 200 voucher yang ALTHEA gave it. Okay. Orang belanja, kita belilah. And this is what? I think this is free. I got free item here. I love the box because the color is not really my favorite color, but it's nice. Just love it. Okay, let's open the first one. Okay, I got this parcel a few days ago, but then weekend baru I dapat buat content. So, yeah. Siapa kat sini using ALTHEA product? You guys can comment down below which one is your favorite. Okay, sebab honestly this is my first time review about ALTHEA product and I can say it's my first time I'm gonna use it. Okay. Okay, let's see. Dalam ni banyak. Banyak lah sebab I memang perasan I spend RM198 sebab I tak dapat nak shop habiskan lah, but still. So this is what this is. Skin Relief Spot Film Gel. Okay, I beli dua sebab I think I need this. Waktu I macam klik kat website tu, I feel like I have to take this extra. Okay, this is how it looks. I'm gonna like buka for you guys. Ta-da! Ooh, nice. All the words is in Korea, okay, in Korean language, which is sis tak faham, but yeah. Okay, nampak dia macam. Next that I ambik adalah Petal Velvet Sunway SPF 50+. Moisture Filled Sebum Control. Ta-da! Ini adalah sunblock. Kan? Sunblock, right? I tak ada sunblock, guys, honestly. I know you guys gonna angry at me like, what the hell? You tak ada sunblock? Yeah, I tak ada. And I know you need it. Sebab even kena aircon kena pakai, jalan kena matahari and stuff kena pakai. That's fine. That's why I ambik. Okay, I nak buka but I sayang, but however still have to. No other way. Ta-da! Ooh, very small, ringan. Nah, nak bawa pergi mana? Oh, dia cair. Texture dia cair. Okay, maybe memang semua sunblock cair macam ni kot sebab I lupa when is last time I pakai sunblock. Okay, texture dia soft. I love it. Oh, bau dia sangat kuat ya. Dia macam bau kelopak bunga ros. Ya, tapi macam ada bau bukan pori, apa pori? Is it yang macam campur bunga tu? Yeah. But like, I kind of like the texture, but the smells, I kurang. But well, okay. Next is I think this is blusher ke powder, but yeah, whatever. It's in shade 27. Okay, in shade 27. You guys tak nampak? Ta-da! Yes, this is powder. Mini powder. Yes, petal velvet powder. I believe bau dia gonna be the same with this one. I love it. Okay, dia ada macam small cushion kat sini, small sponge untuk dab and pop macam tu. Okay, I suka ni. I love this sebab I pergi kerja, I can just like bring this everywhere and pakai. Like that. Yes. Okay. Whew. Match my skin, guys. I love it. Tak tipu, I love this. Sebab I love the, orang kata the packaging, very small, like practical, masuk dalam bag. Ciao, chin ciao, we're done. Next is, okay, I think the reason why I bought this sebab I need and I malas nak pergi kedai pergi cari. Since ALTHEA provide this kind of product, I just, why not? Adalah body sparkling mist, stay fresh. Okay, I beli dua. Okay, I ambil dua sebab why not? Sajalah I ambil dua kan sebab I know I akan guna benda ni. Okay. Ini adalah body sparkling mist. So oh my god, bau dia wangi gila. I love this smell. Yeah, I ambil dua. Next is, ini adalah Real Fresh Skin Detox. Okay, yang ni I ada tengok review sebenarnya kat YouTube and I can't wait to try it. Okay, sebab dia exfoliate kulit. Green tea pakai waktu malam. Alright, tada! Yes, look at that. Okay, first thing first. Okay, kita buka macam tu. Tada! Okay, bau green tea dia kuat je. Okay. Oh my god, terkeluar pula. So ni texture dia macam ni. Pakai waktu malam sahaja. Okay. First korang kena letak ni dekat muka kan, lepas tu tunggu dalam, lepas tu korang lap pakai air, cuci, nanti dia akan keluar buih sendiri. Okay, I'm not sure it's buih ke apa ke lah, but that's how it works. Okay, next adalah Real Fresh Skin Detox. Sama sebenarnya dengan yang ini, but then this is rose and pakai waktu pagi sahaja. I wish there's an English direction dekat sini because I really don't understand Korean. Like, I really don't. Ta-da! Oh my god, this is so nice. I love it. I love this so much. Bila I tengok orang buat review and finally I got this, I'm macam OMG, I got this man, I got this. Got ini tu. You guys don't worry, I'm gonna like buat demo, tutorial, whatever that you need of this brand right after this video. Okay? See, I got two. I memang ambil dua set sebenarnya, the green tea and the rose. At first I ambil satu ni je tau, but then I macam mesti ada macam relate between the rose and the green tea until I dah beli and I tengok review. Oh, memang supposed to have these two lah, malam, siang, baru perfect. And I can't wait to try this. Okay, move on to the next item from ALTHEA again is waterful green bamboo pads. Okay, dia untuk macam moisturize kulit but in a pad version. Okay, quick moisture boost. I love this. Sebab I nampak banyak iklan yang macam nak moisturize kulit, dia ada satu pad, different sizes. Macam tu kan. So yeah, let's try this. Time I shopping tu kan, I'm like excited gila sebab I got it for free, guys. Like this is time for me to take care of my skin. Okay, dalam ni dia ada bagi satu snipper. Okay, snipper. That's it. Okay, very hygiene. Jom kita buka. Guys, the smell is nice. Oh my god, I love it. I suka bau dia. Jom kita buka. I tarik satu. This is how it looks. Oh my god. This is so wangi. Oh my god. Berapa I ambil ni? Dua. Oh, I ambil dua. Sebab dia nipis lah. Nampak dia senipis ni sahaja sebenarnya. Oh my god. I want to try. Even though I got makeup on, but I still want to try. It's full of bamboo extract, guys. I love this. This smell is so good. Besar, dalam dia banyak. I didn't show you how's the inside look, right? Allah, cabut. Okay, that is how it looks. Banyak dalam dia and nipis. I love it, guys. I love it. Makeup I tak tanggal lah. Alright. Next, I beli Flawless Creamy Concealer sebab I don't have concealer. Yeah, so I get one. I ada concealer but then dah habis. I decide to beli baru but then again, ALTHEA kan ada. Why should I buy the new one? Okay, shall we try? Since I tak pakai concealer right now, I can just like try. I memang pakai jimat tau, guys. So this is how I pakai. Tada! Do I look extra perfect? Yeah, I am. I do look extra perfect. Sebab kalau tak tadi nampak macam aibat kan. So guys, that's it from me. Okay, ALTHEA review and unboxing. So for total product, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Total, I got 10 product here, everyone. So, hope you guys like this video and do not forget to turn on the post notification and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Sebarang kekurangan harap diampunkannya, everyone. Bye-bye.